Ah, Jai Shri Ram. This is a lovely coffee shop. Native Araku coffee. Traditional tribal Dimsa dance. Organic bliss from Araku Valley. Enjoy Araku coffee. Okay? Native Araku coffee. Organic. Sugar free. Sugar free amma. Jai Shri Ram. చిన్న వీడియో తీసుకుంటున్నాను. నో ప్రాబ్లం కదా. మాది యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఉందమ్మా. వండర్ఫుల్. ఏంటిది? ద లెగసీ బిహైండ్ ది ఆరిజిన్ ఆఫ్ అరకు వ్యాలీ కాఫీ. 1863 రాజా ఆఫ్ విజయనగరం establishes the first coffee plantation at Anantagiri near Jai Shri Ram. H.G. Turner, let's see, 81 law. Turner revised the development of Anantagiri Ghat Road to support agriculture and trade in Araku Valley. 1900 Imperial Gazetteer records coffee plantations Anantagiri managed by the Vijayanagaram estate. Okay, 1920 coffee plantations expand to Anantagiri, Araku and Chintapalli. 1950 Coffee Board conducts feasibility surveys promoting coffee cultivation to support tribal livelihoods. Wonderful. 1970 Andhra Pradesh Forest Department plants coffee over 1296 hectares as an undercrop in forest areas. Okay, next we have, let's see what's going on here. 1976. Okay, 1976 ITDA introduces coffee as a tribal development initiative encouraging cultivation on Podu lands. What does that mean? 1990 coffee cultivation grows from 700 hectares to a significant scale. 17 Native Araku coffee fosters a self-sustaining ecosystem empowering tribal farmers to grow premium organic coffee. Are you taking the coffee? 2022 tribal coffee plantations with 18,466 hectares with 14,140 hectares under tribal management. Wonderful. Oh, that means under Modi. Now Araku becomes a hub for organic coffee, providing sustainable livelihoods for tribal farmers. Wow, this is amazing. పర్వాలేదు, మళ్ళీ వెయిట్ చేసి ఇస్తారు. అవునండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీ పేరు? మణికంఠ. రైట్, వండర్ఫుల్, వెరీ నైస్ అమ్మా, సూపర్. నాదొక యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఉంది. సో అరే లవ్లీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ లవ్లీ. అరే ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్. యూ సీ, you can sit here and watch the green fields. Wow, this is amazing. Yeah.